Hi, in this video we'll go through order of operations. So an easy way to remember order of operations is the saying, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The P standing for parentheses, the E standing for exponent, the M standing for multiply, the D standing for divide, and A is for add, and S is subtract. And now if you follow this order, you'll be fine. The only confusion lies in P for parentheses, that's self-explanatory, E for exponents, explanatory. But then the multiplication division, you don't go through and multiply and then go back through and divide. You work from left to right and do multiplication and division in the order that you come to it. And the same thing for addition and subtraction. Once you get all the multiplication division done from left to right, you go back through and do any addition and subtraction in the order that you come to it. And I have two examples set up here. In the first one, where we can look at it and we look for parentheses, there aren't any. We look for exponents, there aren't any. So now what I want to do is, just like you read a sentence, I'm going to work from left to right and do any multiplication or division in the order I come to it. So I see here 4 times 5, so that's going to be 20. Here I have a subtraction. I'm not ready for that yet. I'm going to do all my multiplication and division first. So I'm going to continue to subtract. I have 2 times 6, which is 12, so I'm going to do that because it's multiplication, and then I have the plus 4. And now I want to go back through my sentence, again reading from left to right, and do any of the addition and subtraction in the order I come to it. So 20 minus 12 is 8, plus the 4, my answer is 12. Notice that if I would have simply worked from left to right, I would have gotten a different answer. 4 times 5 is 20, subtract 2 is 18, then times 6 would be a really big number, plus 4. Okay? So now let's do another one where maybe we have to apply parentheses or exponents. All right, notice here I have a parentheses around 6 minus 7, so I'm going to do that first. It's a negative 1. And down here, another parentheses, 4 minus 1, that's going to become 3. Now, in this division problem, I'm actually going to do all the work in the top and then all the work in the bottom before I divide it. Okay? So, first I'm going to do any multiplication or division. So 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So I get negative 3. And then I'm going to subtract. 5 times 4 is 20. In the denominator, I get 6 times 7 is 42. And then I'm going to subtract 8 times 3, which is 24. So in the numerator, combining the 3 and the 20, I get negative 23. And in the denominator, combining 42 and 18, I get a positive 18. So that's my answer there. So remember, we're going to do parentheses first, followed by exponents. Then we work from left to right, doing any multiplication division in the order we come to it. Then we go back and start our sentence all over again, doing any addition and subtraction in the order we come to it.